Hello everyone. Today let us see about the project Midday Meals, which is a school meal program of the Government of India, designed to better the nutritional standing of school-aged children nationwide. BO admin can log in from BO admin login panel, where in settings they can add state by adding the state name and description. They can also view various states that has been added, and it also has an action to edit and delete. They can add city by adding city name and state name. And all the cities that has been added can be viewed along with an action edit and delete. Under BO admin, admin can add various BO admins by adding admin name, login ID and password. They can also view the BO admins along with an action edit and delete. There's also a search option. Under Food Department Officer, admin can add Food Department Officer by adding officer name, state name, city name, officer code and password. Admin can also view the Food Department Officer details along with the action edit and delete. In Schoolmaster panel, where admin can add various schools by adding school name, school address, state name, city name, pin code and school image. Admin can view the schools that has been added and also has the action edit and delete. Admin can add school headmasters by selecting the school, adding the headmaster name, headmaster image, headmaster code and the password, and also the confirm password. All the headmasters of various schools can be viewed, edited as well as deleted. In food item panel, admin can add the food category by mentioning category name and description. All the added food categories can be viewed with the action edit and delete. Food items can be added by mentioning food item name, food category, measurement, sub-measurement, item image and description. From view food items, all the food items that has been added can be viewed. There is also an action edit and delete. There is a search option to find particular food item. In midday meals panel, under midday meal menu list of students are available with the select button. By selecting particular school, can view the form that the school where everyday supplies for that selected school can be added. That is, clicking on add food item, which shows the form which includes school name, day, food item, total quantity and note. These food items can be added for the entire week and can also be edited and deleted. In midday meal menu report contains the weekly food supply report of every school that is present. There's search option to search particular school. You can also find number of students present. The school headmaster can log in from school headmaster login panel. The school headmaster can view the chefs that has been present to cook in their school. Maximum 2 chefs can be added. The school headmaster can add the chefs by mentioning chef name, chef type, which can be either cook or a helper, chef image, chef profile and bank details. Chef salary will be updated by the BO admin, and the confirmation of the chef will be done by the BO admin itself. School headmaster can view the chefs that has been added. The status of the cook will be in pending state until the BO admin confirms it. The BO admin under chef panel can view the various chefs of various schools. They also have an action edit and delete. The admin must add the salary of the chef and also must make the status as active, which was in pending state. Under view chef, all the chefs can be viewed and there is a search option to find particular chef. Under add chef salary, admin can add chef's name, salary month, salary date, bonus income, any deductions and salary details. Basic salary amount cannot be changed as it is fixed once by admin while confirming the chef. After adding the chef salary receipt will be generated. It can be printed. In chef salary report, admin can view the various salary receipts of the chefs, which can also be printed. Admin can also edit and delete the chefs of various schools. Under chef salary report, school headmaster can School headmasters can raise their complaint if there is any inconvenience in the supply of food items. Under complaint, school headmaster can add a complaint by mentioning complaint title, complaint description and attachment. Once the complaint is posted, it will be sent to the BO admin. The BO admin will view the complaint under Complaint Panel. The BO admin can view the complaints from various school headmasters. They have the action to view them, which contains the report of the complaints with the complaint title, description and complainer details. BO admin can reply to the complaint by mentioning the complaint description. They can also add an attachment. School headmasters can view the complaints that has been raised by them under View Complaints. There is an action view clicking on which the school headmaster can view the reply from the admin. They can also send their response to the BO admin. By mentioning complaint description and also attachment.